Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public repository on GitHub. First, ensure you are logged into your GitHub account. If you do not have one, it is free and easy to set up. Once logged in, look for the new button, typically found on the left sidebar or near your existing repositories. Clicking this button is the first step to bringing your project to the world. Next, you will define your repository's core details. Give it a clear, concise name that reflects your project. A short description helps others understand its purpose at a glance. Crucially, select the public option to ensure your code is accessible to everyone. You can also choose to initialize it with a README file, which is a great practice for providing immediate project context. Now let's prepare your local project for GitHub. Open your terminal within your project folder. First, type git init to initialize a new Git repository. Then, stage all your files for the first commit by typing git add. This command adds all current files to be tracked. Finally, commit these changes with a meaningful message using git commit m initial commit. This creates a snapshot of your project. The final step is to connect your local repository to GitHub and push your code. On your GitHub repository page, copy the provided remote URL. Back in your terminal, use git remote add origin followed by that URL to link them. Then, execute git push uorigin main to upload your local commits to your public GitHub repository. Congratulations! Your project is now live and publicly available for collaboration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.